So now we will solve this question, and this is the velocity profile. Okay, the fluid is flowing in this direction, and this is the control volume, and this is the our pipe having diameter, internal diameter d, capital D. So the velocity profile forms a paraboloid given by v is equal to minus c into small r square minus d square by 4 meter per second. So we have to find the rate of kinetic energy in the control surface AB. Okay, so writing kinetic energy E is equal to half mv square. Okay, or rate of kinetic energy will be equal to half of m dot v square. M dot is the mass flow rate which is in kilogram per second. So E will be E dot will be in joule per second. So this is a rate of kinetic energy. Okay, now half m dot can be written as rho a v, and this is v square. So this is the E dot, and we have to calculate the rate of energy, rate of kinetic energy in the control surface AB. So firstly we will calculate the rate of kinetic energy of an elemental area dA. Okay, because the fluid particles are flowing are flowing in this direction and also in this direction. Okay, so we will take a strip which will move from center line to circumference of this circle. Okay, so firstly we will calculate the kinetic energy of a elemental area, and then we will calculate the rate of kinetic energy of all the fluid particles, okay, within the control volume. Okay, so writing rate of kinetic energy of an elemental area dE dot will be equal to half of rho a can be written as 2 pi r dr, because we are talking of elemental area, and v cube because area is equal to pi r square. So dA will be equal to 2 pi r dr. Okay, or you can say rho pi r dr v cube. This is dE dot. So this is the our equation first, and we are having v is equal to minus c small r square minus d square by 4. So arranging this equation, c into d square by 4 minus r square. Okay, or you can say c into this is capital R square minus small r square. So finally c into taking r square outside, r square into 1 minus small r square upon capital R square. So this is the v. So putting the value of v in equation first, so rho pi, this is r dr, and v cube will be equal to c r square cube into 1 minus small r square upon r square cube. Okay, and this is d, or you can say rho pi r dr, this is c cube, and this will be r to the power 6, and this will be equal to the r to the power 6. So r to the power 6 will be cancel out, so remaining equation will be r square is capital R square minus small r square cube. Okay, so this is the dE dot. Now finding the rate of kinetic energy of all the fluid particles, of all the fluid particles. Air is blowing here, so the problem is there. Okay, now this is the energy of the elemental area. Now we will find the rate of kinetic energy of a control surface AB. Okay, so integrating this equation, it will be equal to rho pi c cube integration r dr capital R square minus small r square cube. Now rho pi c cube can be assumed as k1. This is any constant. Okay, because rho pi c cube are constants, so this will be equal to r capital R square minus small r square cube into dr. Now take lower limit and upper limit. Lower limit is 0 and upper limit is equal to capital R. This distance r will go from pipe central line to the internal surface of the pipe. So small r will be equal to 0 at the to capital R at the internal surface of the pipe. So lower limit will be equal to 0 and upper limit will be equal to capital R. So taking lower limit as 0 and upper limit as capital R, so after integrating we get this equation. Now putting lower and upper limit, so it will be E dot. So after integrating we will get k1 r to the power 8 divided by 2 minus r to the power 8 upon 8 minus r to the power 8 upon 4 plus r to the power 8 upon 6 minus 2r to the power 8 upon 4 minus 2r to the power 8 upon 6. Okay, now k1. Now taking r to the power 8 outside, so this will be equal to r to the power 8 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. So from here we can say E dot is proportional to r to the power 8 because rest of the terms are constant. So we can say E dot is proportional to r to the power 8, or E dot is proportional to d to the power 8. This is equation third, but in the question it is given that in rate of kinetic energy is proportional to d to the power n, and this is what equation 4. So equating equation third and fourth, we get n small n is equal to 8. So the answer is 8.